Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are doing an honest review of Finelo to see if it's really worth buying. So what is Finelo? Finelo is a finance education app designed for beginners. It teaches budgeting and investing through short lessons, interactive quizzes, and a built-in simulator. This means you can practice managing money without risking real cash. The content is clean, simple, and beginner-friendly, making it a solid starting point if you're new to finance. But here's the catch. Some users report unexpected charges of $39.99 after the free trial, with limited customer support for refunds. Also, the lessons are pretty surface level. So if you already know the basics of finance or have used other apps, you might outgrow it quickly. But for the bottom line, Finalo is still helpful for beginners who want to learn finance safely and interactively. Just be careful to read the fine print. Cancel before your trial ends if you're unsure. And don't expect advanced finance strategies here. But if you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.